I said to ChatGPT, tell me about Laura from Vivo Marketing.
Oh, wow. And
then it's put 6 points in there: background and credentials, corporate roots, the lead to entrepreneurship, strategic philosophy and education, work, mentoring and impact. And it says, Laura Craig is a seasoned marketing strategist and visionary behind Vivo Marketing with over 16 years of experience running both global corporations and small businesses. She brings a rare blend of strategic insight and grounded execution. She's worked with more than 350 brands, helping them grow with marketing and truly connects.
Amazing. That's pretty good, isn't it?
You've got corporate roots from Unilever, L'Oreal, Carton, which is what you told me already. Yeah. And then you founded Vivo in 2016, driven by a desire to lead with authenticity and heart. Through resilience and reinvention, including becoming a certified life coach, she has turned Vivo into a hub for strategy, innovation, and purpose-led marketing. And then it says you have a double degree in marketing and psychology.
Yeah.
And that you bring psychological insight into your marketing practice to forge genuine audience connection. Talks about how you coach. And so you are a respected mentor, trainer, and speaker.
Wow. Thanks, Chad. It's actually incredible. It probably just read my LinkedIn. It probably then cross-referenced that with Vivo Marketing. And I think actually in the world of AI, it almost brings us back full circle to our conversation at the beginning, right? Where even the AI is using my online sort of ecosystem to tell you who I am, and I feel like instead of people looking at your LinkedIn and your website, or maybe as well as, they might even put something into AI, and AI needs to be able to draw from somewhere online, which is the role of marketing, right?
Yeah, we were talking with Cheech Fu, who is an SEO strategist specialist, and he was talking exactly about that, about the fact that Google really is where people search, but GEO really is about what ChatGPT knows about you, and about how we can jump online and now say, I want to work with Laura. Tell me what Laura's good at. And I'm also briefing in this other agency, which one's going to be a better fit for me. And based on all of the information that you have online, people are going to get that information about you. And so it's really that you can't sit as a CEO of a business in your office anymore and just expect to go to a meeting and say, here, I'm good at this. Unless you're out there and you're on social media and you're on all of these different platforms and everybody knows you've got an online presence, you just don't stand a chance anymore.
Absolutely. Yeah, and do you know what I also say to a lot of smaller businesses is that you don't actually have to be everywhere, because it is an enormous amount of effort to be everywhere, right? But just pick one platform at least and show up there. Mine, I love LinkedIn. We've also got a presence on Instagram, but the one non-negotiable for me is LinkedIn, and I only currently am posting once a week, but that's enough for me right now, because we've got so many clients and we've got other channels as well, right? And one high quality, good post a week, I think, is much more valuable than posting 3 things that feel empty, I think that's it doesn't have to be a lot. And I think some people are scared of marketing because they're like, oh my God, I have to do 3 posts over here and 2 posts over here and 4 posts over here. And then I have to do reels, and then I have to do, just start with one, and, just start with doing one really well. And then you can actually end up repurposing that content onto other platforms anyway, especially with AI. So easy now. But I think it doesn't have to be a lot to get started.
I think that's a really fantastic piece of advice for us to end on.